Cotton. Soft canvas shelves and sturdy wood construction. 4 deep storage pockets. Sized for kids. Sturdy construction. Skill level, beginner. Soft canvas shelves keep books from being damaged. Top reviews from the United States. Good quality and easy to assemble. I am very happy with this purchase, and so are my kids. It's a great size, was very easy to assemble, and the parts were good quality. Only minor annoyance is that some of the dowels were a bit rough. But it was fairly easy to sand them down a bit with some fine sanding paper.